Another problem that I noticed while going through the bike is that there seems to be some oil that is accumulating around the sprocket and countershaft. Now, I thought it was just a little bit of muck and grime from a previous owner, maybe a little bit of oil off of the chain, what have you, but I've been looking into it a little bit more, and I recently did an oil change, and I noticed that the oil looked a little fresh. So, the internet, in all of its wisdom, tells me that KTMs, especially like the 17 to 19s, had bad countershaft seals. And that's fine. I thought, okay, we'll change the countershaft seal. But a little more digging, and it seems like the problem is actually the dome washer that's on the sprocket bolt. Now, this may or may not be true, but it's the easier and cheaper fix. So, another or a few other people recommended this dome washer made by Dirt Tricks, and it's basically just a heavier gauge, better made dome washer, and some other folks swapped out to this dome washer and it seemed to completely fix their leaky countershaft seal. So that's what we're going to do today, and we'll see if that works, and if not, we'll go back in and we'll replace the whole seal. But like most problems, I figured we'd start with the easiest solution first. I'm just going to go ahead and do a time lapse of the actual replacement. I've already done a little bit of prep work, like removing the chain guide, but other than that, this should go pretty quickly. So with that, we'll get into it. Okay, so it should be as easy as that. We have a new dome washer on. It's torqued down to 44 foot-pounds. Yeah, I mean, that should be it. I'm gonna ride it like I normally do. I'll probably do an update in maybe a month or so, see if there's still any oil that's leaking from that seal. And if not, we're gonna call it good. As you might be able to tell, I recently broke off the taillight assembly and license plate holder, so that's going to be next. I'll probably post another video on the tail tidy I got, but thanks for watching, and have fun.